Yo, what is up, my fellow YouTube watchers? Okay, hold on, wrong one. 2 keys. 2 keys right here. Bro, what is my teammate doing, bro? I queued into 5v5s and I got 1 kill. Yeah, I did horribly. But then I queued into 3v3s and I got 7 kills. So, yeah. I needed about 6 more kills. I needed 5 more kills in order to get these 2 keys. And I need to play 1 more match. So, I mean, it doesn't even matter if I lose. I'm still getting something that's worth 400 keys. And it's not the flamethrower, because as you can see right here, I already have that. I mean, they can actually think I actually wouldn't believe them if they think I'm cheating for flying, because it's called movement. I don't know, because these people do not have brains. These people just do not have brains for some reason. Yeah, look at this cat, bro. Both, man, he's cheating. You have too much health. He's cheating. He has medkit. Cause medkit. No way, I reported you. Look, teammates, it's medkit. Medkit. It's called a medkit. OMG, we get it. It exists, unlike your brain. Oh my gosh, shut up, we know. Lol, teammates. 3rd grade roast. Medkit right. You can't report me for medkit. Report it for thinking I'm cheating. Yeah, you see this. You see this on the top of my screen. And I already have flamethrower. It costs 400 keys. What else costs 400 keys? No, that's 425. No, that's also 425. No, that's 450, and then this is 475. What cost? Oh, Trout cost 200. I could have got that a while ago. And medkit only cost 300. What am I saving up for? I still got meetings? No, that cost 350. Enrique, bro. Why did I spell it with a space? This guy is an energy pistol demon. And just a while ago, I believe I was...
It's enough to open it.
Not this, bro. I believe that, where? I believe Phil Hood tried to beat this guy.
Enrique,
and,
I challenge.
Oh yeah, Phil Hood destroyed Abilene, but, as we can see, he got 5-0'd.
I believe I'll
and then
be
he got
trading.
5-0'd again by Enrique and energy pistols. I've also tried energy pistols in the shooting range, and I just have to say one thing. OP. That's all they are. They're OP. Now, in this video, we are going to unlock these two beauties. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I want to test out all the wraps on this. So Nova wrap. Oh my gosh, this is insane. What about the Hester? Oh, that Hester. Oh my gosh, these are insane. Oh my gosh! What? Oh my gosh, this is insane. No. These skin. What about Venom? I used to use the Venom rattle on everything. Yo, this is crazy. Yo. Nova is crazy. But what about Hesper? Hesper goes hard. There's Carmine energy pistols. I think I'm just gonna keep Nova energy pistols for now. Yo, that's crazy. Yo, I need these energy pistols in order to win. I need them right now. I know that I'm going to cook with this. I am Bro, what is this fake Zorphy, bro? I cannot believe I grinded all the way to 400 keys. No Robux ever spent. I mean, 800 keys for a flamethrower. And, I mean, oh yeah. Ooh, this guy's gonna get so cooked. I could use a pay to win. Oh my gosh. Yes! I could use the most pay to win loadout ever. Contract. Bro, why are you shooting my dead body, bro? You know, if you use energy pistols, I would cook you, right? Sure, AR is better than energy pistols. But like, it's so cool. These take so much skill to master. Why am I talking? Why am I talking? Why in the world on earth am I talking? And why are you... Okay, bro. Okay, bro. There's no way you got red that easily. Bro, what is this guy, bro? It's so predictable. There's no way, bro. Okay, bro. I actually feel like I shouldn't have bought these. I do not think I was built. I feel like I was built more for like revolver and stuff. Like that, kinda. Bro, what is this, bro? How are you getting red this easily? What? Huh. What? Why am I so bad right now? Why do you keep shooting my dead body? Last video I was completely locked in. What is happening? Why am I so bad now? Why is not that good? What, bro? Someday I am going to master these and what, bro? What do you mean that doesn't hit? What is this? Why do people be so toxic? Why are people toxic? I don't get why people do this. I don't get why people do this. Anytime that they win, they teabag, shoot my body. Oh my gosh, you're so bad. Easy. Bro, you're not that guy, bro. You're not that good. I want to face a noob right now so I can practice with these energy pistols. But like, come on, bro. What? How did he hit me? What? What? Where is this leg? I wasn't even there. What? How did he hit something that wasn't there? I'm not even doing it. It's affecting me. Bro. Exogun? Bro, why? Why are you doing this? You're not that Bro, stop doing those tactics. Why flamethrower? Why do you do this? Why do you use flamethrower? from these energy pistols contests. I honestly did not know all of that, bro. What? How? I don't want this, bro. To face someone who isn't on control. No, bro. I'm doing this, bro. I know that I'm not gonna win, but like, he knows that he can beat me on arena. So why am I voting it? I honestly don't know. I mean, I know that he can beat me on arena. I don't know what I was talking about. What? Yo, what is this? What? Like, I honestly do not know what's happening. Yo, what are you doing up there, bro? Get down. Huh? What? Wait, no. Yeah. Okay, I'll be ready soon. Wait, it's already 6? Oh, what? Where do you think you're already dead, bro. These energy pistols are really good. It's just like, come on, bro. Why do you have to be such a low lifer? Let me just do something like this. Nice. What? What? How? What? You saw that, right? He was both. What are those hitboxes, bro? What are those hitboxes? Why is he on controller? Why do you do this? And then you walk straight into my trip line. What is this lie? What is that? Oh, 20 something FPS. What? Oh my god. I just want to say something. And why is my game on like 19 FPS, bro? Okay, you know what? Bye guys. See ya next.